2 simple ways to add a line over text and equations in Word. Using field codes. Save your file. Field codes can be finicky and have been known to crash Word. Save your file before proceeding so that you have a version to go back to if things don't go right. Create a field code. Press Ctrl plus F9 to create the field code brackets. The brackets will be highlighted with a gray color. Enter in the Overline function. Type the following in between the brackets. There's a space between EQ and REX, as well as a space between REX and 2. Enter in the text you want overlined. Make sure not to include any extra spaces or the function will not work. Keep your cursor in the field code when you are finished. Apply the field. With your cursor inside the field code, press Shift plus F9. This will convert the code, displaying the text you entered in the parentheses with a line over it. Using the equation function. Insert an equation object. Click the Insert tab. Click the equation button in the Symbols section. Choose the overbar accent. Before typing your text, add the accent. Click the Accents button in your Design section. There are actually 2 slightly different options you can pick from if you want an overline over your text. Choose one and a small dotted box will appear in your formula field. Enter your text. You will see the overline effect applied immediately as you type. When you are finished, click outside of the formula field. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.